Imagine your entire body turning to ice, every cell crystallizing. Your heart stops. Your brain activity ceases. From all outward appearances, you are gone. But then, weeks or even months later, the ice melts, and you simply wake up, perfectly normal. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy, it's the real, shocking superpower of some of Earth's most resilient insects, defying what we thought possible about life and death. For most living creatures, winter is a relentless killer, and not just because of scarce food. The ultimate danger is extreme cold. When temperatures drop below freezing, water inside cells expands, forming sharp ice crystals that shred cell membranes and destroy tissues, leading to inevitable death. It's a biological barrier few can cross. But certain insects, like the incredible Arctic woolly bear caterpillar, laugh in the face of these deadly conditions. This tiny creature routinely survives temperatures plummeting to -70°C in the Arctic tundra. Instead of perishing, it simply freezes solid, often for over 7 months of the year, entering a state of suspended animation that pushes the boundaries of life itself. How do they achieve this biological miracle? Before the deep freeze hits, these insects begin producing high concentrations of natural antifreeze compounds. The most common is glycerol, the same substance found in human cough syrup, but they also use sorbitol and trehalose. These chemicals flood their bodies, lowering the freezing point of their internal fluids and preventing lethal ice formation inside their cells. But that's only half the story. While protecting cells from internal ice, they actually encourage ice to form in specific, harmless locations. They produce special, ice-nucleating proteins that initiate ice crystal growth in the spaces between their cells, not inside them. This controlled extracellular freezing helps draw water out of the cells, further protecting them from internal damage. This dehydration is crucial. As ice forms outside, water is osmotically pulled out of the cells, causing them to shrink. This prevents the formation of large, damaging ice crystals within the cell itself, which would be fatal. It's a precise, life-saving mechanism that effectively puts their cells in a shriveled, dormant state, ready to rehydrate upon thawing. Take the Arctic woolly bear caterpillar again. It doesn't just freeze once, it cycles through freezing and thawing multiple times over an astonishing 14-year lifespan in its larval stage. Each spring it thaws, eats for a few weeks, then refreezes for another long, brutal winter. This repeated death-defying feat allows it to slowly accumulate enough energy to finally pupate and transform into a moth. Another champion is the Antarctic midge, Belgica antarctica, the largest land animal in Antarctica, yet only 2 to 6 millimeters long. This wingless insect can survive freezing solid, tolerating repeated desiccation, and even losing up to 70% of its body water. It withstands temperatures down to -15°C, enduring harsh conditions few other organisms could ever dream of surviving. Their unique genetic makeup is key. This isn't just a deep sleep or hibernation. These insects are, by all conventional biological metrics, dead. There's no detectable metabolism, no heartbeat, no oxygen consumption. Their bodies are rigid, brittle ice. It's a state of genuine suspended animation, where life processes are halted to an almost immeasurable degree, only to be perfectly restored when conditions allow. This fact alone is mind-bending. So, how do they restart? The thaw is a precise biochemical dance. As temperatures rise, the ice slowly melts. The cryoprotectants that guarded their cells now help them rehydrate. Enzymes reactivate, cellular machinery hums back to life, and the insect's body, almost miraculously, remembers how to function. Within minutes or hours, a creature that was a solid block of ice is crawling, eating, and living again. These tiny masters of cryo-survival aren't just fascinating curiosities, they hold profound secrets. Their ability to cheat death for extended periods offers invaluable insights into cryopreservation, organ storage, and even long-term human space travel. Studying these incredible insects is literally helping us redefine the boundaries of life itself, pushing humanity closer to its own forms of suspended animation.